Senpu Acrylic, a specialized factory dedicated to the innovation and manufacturing of acrylic sheets. As the industry's leading acrylic sheet manufacturer, we have launched 3 new series of products to meet the diversified needs of architectural, interior design, and customized applications. First is the bathroom acrylic sheet series. These panels have a smooth and glossy surface with excellent waterproof and mildew-resistant properties, and are widely used in modern bathroom spaces, such as bathroom walls and sink backsplashes. Support a variety of colors and specifications, both beautiful and practical. Next is the visually stunning Ripple Acrylic Sheet. The surface shows a unique ripple texture, which creates a rich dynamic layer under the light, and is suitable for partitions, lighting decoration, art installations, and other creative space design. Transparent, stained, and metallic styles are available. And for users who pursue delicate texture, we have introduced colorful frosted acrylic. With a matte, anti-glare surface and soft colors, these sheets are widely used in scenes such as guidance systems, displays, and modern furniture. Lightweight and easy to process, they are ideal for creative design. At Senpu, we provide OEM customization service. We can customize the color, thickness, and size as needed, and support laser engraving, CNC opening, and other fine processing to meet the customization needs of different projects. Our products are exported to many countries around the world, widely serving the construction, retail, manufacturing, and other industries, with high quality, stable supply, and fast delivery to win the trust of customers. Explore more possibilities of acrylic. Welcome to contact Senpu Acrylic for samples or to start project cooperation.